presented by Shivalik House. And the thought is, if everyone is moving forward together, then success takes care of itself. Thought once again, if everyone is moving forward together, then success takes care of itself. Abraham Lincoln, thanks, have a nice day.
Good morning to all of you. Today's news is presented by Shivalik House. Some top news are: as the civil work of Patna Metro Rail project has been advancing in corridor, the expert of the Delhi Metro Rail Corporation Limited, the nodal agency of the project, is planning for advanced communication-based train control system which enables the metro train to be run without drivers. Railways has started working on the proposed second to exit point at the Patliputra junction falling under Danapur division of the East Central Railway. German Chancellor Olaf Scholz will pay a state visit to India on February 25 and 26, his first trip to the country more than a year after he took charge of the top post. Now news from sports. New Zealand kept their Women's T20 World Cup hopes alive with 102-run rout of Sri Lanka at Boland Park in Pearl on Sunday. John Ram is playing at such a high level, he felt he did not need the official world golf ranking to tell him he was the #1 player in the golf. Thanks, have a nice day.
To all of you, today's word is presented by Shivalik House and the word is education in Hindi, Shiksha, in Garo, Viva. E for energy, D for discipline, U for unity, C for confidence, A for M, T for talent, I for interest, O for opportunity, and for nationality. Thanks, have a nice day.
Good morning to all of you. Today I am to be presented by Shivalik House. We are presenting a short drama. इंडिया टेक्नोलॉजी और एजुकेशन के मामले में लगातार डेवलपमेंट कर रहा है।
जी हाँ, आपके पास 16 आने चाहिए।
अना मतलब क्या होता है?
आपको ये तो पता होगा कि पहले के सालों में पैसे का भी कितना वैल्यू था।
हाँ पता है, पहले के ज़माने में पैसे का बहुत महत्व था।
उसी तरह जैसे एक पैसे का इतना महत्व था तो एक आना में तो 6 पैसे होते थे और 16 आना में पूरे 100 पैसे। इसका अर्थ है कि मेरी बात 100 पैसे यानी कि 100% सही है। थैंक यू।
Thank you.